My name is Ruben. I chose Invisalign treatment mostly because it got to the point with my teeth that I felt comfortable with the hygienist treatments that I've been doing. They were really clean, they were in a good place, but there was still like a sense of overcrowding, and visually I could see with some of my teeth that they just weren't in the right position. And like if you looked head on, there were definitely some that were more prominent than others, and I just thought, you know what, this might delay having bigger issues in the future, so if I get the treatment done now, whilst I'm able to, then it might make my life easier in 20, 30 years' time. And look a little bit better. You know what, it was a shock. At first, when the pips went on, I wasn't expecting to feel with my tongue the differences in my mouth, but you know, your mouth is yours. And after a few weeks of just having them in, both the pips and the actual retainers, I just got used to it. And even like changing retainer, yes, for the first day it feels a bit different, but you're wearing them for so long that actually it doesn't feel that bad. The biggest shock to me was most probably having a young girl whilst having my Invisalign in, only because then she couldn't feed me, which was really sad for her. I'm really happy about the results. Just having a look at the comparisons of before and after, seeing the shape of my teeth in my mouth from like different angles, it's insane to see how much they've moved. And there were some teeth that, apart from being the ones that were prominent, others that had like defects, but by rotating my teeth, actually you can't see them anymore. So I think the results are beyond what I was expecting. I'm really happy with them. I mean, I've been working with Ronit, and I say working with as if he's my colleague, but I've been working with Ronit for a really long time, and I've been coming to Brightside since I was a teenager. Like, honestly, like it's been comforting is maybe the best way to put it, even in times when I'm not necessarily expecting a delay to the treatment, which I had to carry on doing it for longer than I thought. It's been a pleasure and a dream. So, you know, I can't say more positive things about either coming to Brightside or working with the doctors here. I would recommend Brightside Dental to other patients. I've been here since it's moved and before it moved. I've literally been coming here since I was 15 and I'm in my 30s now, so you know, that's saying something.